Picture a fruit tree in your yard, heavy with ripe fruit, ready right now, and you keep walking past it every single day, telling yourself you'll pick it tomorrow. Fruit doesn't wait forever, neither do the signs Allah keeps placing in front of you. There is one sitting right in front of you today, and if you let it fall and rot the way you've let others before it, this is exactly the kind of moment you'll look back on and wish you hadn't. A ripe fruit looks like it'll stay that way forever, full, ready, available, whenever you decide to reach for it. But ripeness is temporary. Leave it too long, and it doesn't wait patiently for your convenience. It quietly starts to spoil. The sign in front of you right now feels the same way. It feels like it'll always be this available, this clear, this easy to act on. It won't. Allah reminds us in the Quran. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. The readiness for change is in front of you right now, and readiness, like ripe fruit, has a season. I'm not going to pretend I know exactly what's tugging at you, but you do. The moment this video started, something specific came to mind, a habit, a person, a prayer you keep rescheduling. That's not coincidence. That's you already knowing which tree you've been walking past every day without stopping. The sign isn't vague. You're just choosing not to reach up and take it. Here's what makes regret so heavy later. Fruit that falls and spoils on the ground doesn't reappear next week in the same condition. Some opportunities to fix things, to reconcile, to pray with real presence, come around again in a different, harder form, if they come around at all. The version of this sign available to you today, at this exact ripeness, might not look the same a year from now. You don't need the perfect moment to finally act. You need to reach up today, while it's still within reach, while it still feels this clear. Say the prayer you've been delaying, make the call you've been avoiding. Whisper the sincere dua tonight, instead of pushing it to tomorrow. One more time. That's how you keep the fruit from falling. The sign in front of you is ripe right now. Don't let it fall. Comment. I know which one it is, if something specific came to mind, and if someone you know has been walking past their own sign for too long, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.